How to convert landscape video to portrait in Capcut Mobile. This tutorial shows you how to reformat your video, including what to expect once it's exported. First, open the Capcut app on your Android device. From there, import your landscape video to start a new project. After that, tap on the video clip in your timeline to select it. At this point, look for the ratio option in the toolbar above the timeline. Following this, tap on it to see the available aspect ratio options. From here, select 9:16 to switch it to a portrait format. Once selected, you'll notice black bars appear above and below the video, since the original footage was filmed horizontally and doesn't naturally fill a vertical frame. At this stage, if you want to reduce how noticeable those black areas are, tap and drag the video within the frame to reposition or zoom in slightly, focusing on the most important part of the shot. Following this, once you're happy with the framing, tap the check mark to confirm the ratio change. From here, tap Export at the top right when you're ready to save the final video. Keep in mind, those black bars will still be visible in the exported video, unless you crop in tighter or add a background fill behind the footage instead of leaving it black. That's how you convert a landscape video to portrait in Capcut Mobile.